Hi, I'm Bianca, and the paper I've chosen to present today is Can Threatened Species Survive Where the Top Predator is Absent? By the authors listed here. It is widely known that introduced species have had detrimental effects on Australian wildlife. The 2009 journal article published in Biological Conservation highlights the importance of top predator species within an ecosystem where other species coexist. As a result of intensive dingo control, mainly 1080 baiting, areas within the dingo barrier fence were considered to be dingo-free. Experiments were conducted in order to see if rare species within the dingo barrier fence could be sustained in the absence of the dingoes. Aerial counts of yellow-footed rock wallabies have been conducted annually in certain areas within the dingo barrier fence since 2000 to ensure the populations present are remaining stable. It was found that dingoes were in fact coexisting with the wallabies where they were previously thought to be eradicated. This diagram shows the prevalence of animals within and outside the dingo barrier fence. Also depicted in this diagram are methods used for monitoring dingo populations. As can be seen, stars represent where the local residents and people conducting the study have reported the presence of dingoes. During the study, tracks, scats, scent markings and aerial counts were used to identify the prevalence of dingoes and their population densities. There is no evidence supporting claims that dingoes are responsible for Australian extinctions. However, other introduced species, such as foxes and feral cats, have been directly associated with loss of species. Johnson, as well as other sources, suggest that in fact since the dingo has assumed the ecological role of top predator in Australia, it helps maintain various species populations. Research has been conducted and the same result has been concluded continuously. In areas where dingoes are scarce due to eradication control, other species such as foxes and cats have had influxes of populations, and prey species such as rufous hare wallabies have become extinct shortly after the influx. This suggests that the dingoes not only control general herbivore populations, but also mesopredator populations, which in turn allows prey numbers to be more maintained. Other supporting evidence is that threatened mammals, such as bilbies and spotted-tailed corals, had populations whose numbers were not adversely affected by uncontrolled populations of dingoes. Dingo, being the top predator of many ecosystems, has the ability to control mesopredator populations and therefore reduce the ratio of predator to prey while maintaining its top predator status. It is possible that intense and widespread control and culling of dingoes has inadvertently led to the extinction of many species within Australia, and the evidence suggests this. So, when asked the question, can threatened species survive where the top predator is absent, the answer certainly appears to be no.